So hi guys, we're here right now at SM City Cebu, Northway for the PLDT Fiber Fair. And later we're gonna meet up with the Best Buy bundle led by Dimples Romana, Yassi Pressman, Billy Crawford, and Ella Cruz. So check out this video. The beauty of handcam is you can know what will happen in the other room. Plus you can zoom in pa. So we now have a close encounter with a PLDT Best Buy bundle crew. Hi, Kalamiyan! Graced the Fiber Digital Fair, and we were able to meet the Best Bundle crew led by Dimples Romana, Billy Crawford, Yassi Pressman, and Ella Cruz. It was an awesome experience, guys. And if you're looking for a complete set of internet, mobile, as well as TV, you better check out the Best Buy bundle by PLDT Signal and Smart. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, see you in the next episode.